Do you know that you can monetize your YouTube channel in 90 days? You hear me right. There are a lot of YouTube channels that are creating short videos in which they get their channel monetized within few weeks of opening their account. As you can see, all these accounts which you are seeing, which they are into making short video. Most of this video I'm making through AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the powerful website that allowed you to create short videos within seconds. In regards of the niche in which you belong to, either you are into relationship, you are into make money online, you are into history, or you are into fact, or you are into motivation, nothing. Name any category in which you belong to. By using these tactics in which I'm going to reveal to you, you are going to get your channel monetized within few weeks. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on subscribe button, like this video. Without further ado, let's dive to the main business. The first thing is that go on your Google search for Autoshorts.ai. As you can see, I've clicked on Autoshorts.ai. Let me walk you through the step-by-step required to making use of this website. As you can see, we have tried Autoshorts AI for free. Click on it, in which you are not expected to enter your credit card. Now they are asking you to log in. Since we don't have an account, click on create an account here. Now you will be asked to sign in either with your, maybe you want to sign with any email account, or you want to make use of Google account. But for the sake of this video, we are going to sign in with Google account, in which you'll be required to choose the account in which you are expected. Since this is the Google account I want to use to open this account, I need to click on it and click on confirm. As you can see now, they have sent an email to my account for me to confirm that this email belongs to me. I'm on my email now. As you can see now, let me reload so that you can see that they have sent an email to me. This is welcome to Autoshorts. This email is a confirmation that your account has been registered successful. As you can see now the next thing is for you to go on Autoshorts here, click on create series. The reason why we have series is it means that you are given a privilege to make use of this series for 24 hours. Now they are asking you, since we are using a free version of it, just click on select destination. The destination in which, after you might have created your video, they are going to send you an email alert for you to know that your video is being done. Now the next thing is for you to choose content. They have different niches in which you can choose. For the first time which you open an account, you are expected to choose any demo from here. Now since I want to create my video on something else, live pro tips, now let me click on live pro tip. Now you have opportunity to choose 4 different, sorry, it has, before it was 4, but they have increased the number of narrator here. We have the Echo, we have Alloy, we have Owens, we have Fable, we have Nova. You can text through which voiceover in which it suits what you want to achieve. But I'm going to make use of this Echo. Now the Echo has been taken as the voice narrator. Now the next thing is for you, which language are you writing about? I'm writing about English. Now you have options either to select 30 to 60 seconds video or 60 to 90 seconds video. But since we are creating for short video, I'm going to go within 30 to 60 seconds video. Click on create series. They are going to create a demo for you. Now after they might have created the first demo, in which the video feature was master meal prep for their Aiden. As you can see, this is a script generated by this site itself. As you can see, ever feel overwhelmed by weekly meal plan? Mastering meal prep can revolutionize your eating habit. As you can see, this is the demo scripts generated for you. As you can see the running there, we have 34 seconds percent. You are going to wait for it to reach 100%. When it reach 100%, that's when your video will be done. But just not to waste our time, I'm going to pause the video. When the video has reaches 100%, I'm going to come back and show you the next steps. As you can see now, our video is ready. The next thing is for you to click on download, in which it will be downloaded on your laptop, depending on the device in which you are using. You can use these websites on your mobile phone. Likewise, you can make use of your laptop to navigate through these websites. It has finished downloading. This is a video in which we make. Let me play this video so that you can
feel
see
overwhelmed
how
by
the
weekly
video
meal
look
planning?
like.
Mastering meal prep
now,
can revolutionize your
okay
eating habits. Start
good.
by dedicating a few hours
This
each
is the
weekend
first
to
video
prepare
in which
meals for the
within
week ahead. Choose a
couple of
variety
minutes,
of recipes that
your
are
video
nutritious
is
and
done.
simple. Invest
Now,
in
since
quality
you
containers.
have the opportunity to make use of this website for the next 24 good hours, the next thing is for you to go on ChatGPT. Just write a prompt of what you want. I asked ChatGPT to give me 7 unknown facts information about USA. As you can see now, this is the outcome of this the prompts, in which it gave me the closing along with the voice narrator. But what I needed here is that I just need a main content without image prompt that comes along. As you can see, this cut to mix diverse group of people is the image prompts in which you are expected to input into either Bing.ai or any image AI generator. But since you want this site to help us make the video without stressing going through all those image generator, that is why I cut out the main content of the stuff in which I need. This is the main. I want to generate another video. Just copy your content and go to where you have this script here. Just Ctrl A and Ctrl V. Boom. As you can see now, we are still within the time frame of 1600 characters. Our own character here is 1127. Now you are expected to give your video a title. Now let me give it 7 unknown facts about America. As I told you, I generated this content using ChatGPT. You are expected to do the same thing, in which you are expected to bring out the main content rather than copy everything. This, like you are seeing now, I copied out this number 7, number 1 from number 1 to number 7, and likewise this opening content here. Just come down to the script and click on updates. It will update another video. As you can see, keying for rendering, check back soon. It will start from 1 to 100. As you can see now, this is 5% now. When it reaches 100%, that is when our video will be done. As you can see now, the video has complete the story. As you can see, 7 unknown facts about America. The next thing is for you to click on downloads. This is our second video in which we have made using this website. You can still go on ChatGPT for another prompt. Write 30 seconds video scripts about story, 3 facts about modern words. Enter. ChatGPT is going to give us another prompt in which you ask ChatGPT to. What is happening to my network? Okay, now let me copy a content here. Let me try to copy another content on my where is AI scripts. Let me copy content here. For example, let me copy this content so that you can see how this thing work. Let me just copy this content. This is the outcome of what we asked ChatGPT to generate for us. Come down to this script here. Just click Ctrl E, Ctrl V, and give your video a title. Let's say facts about Z library. Now the next thing is for you can copy the same thing to this caption, right? Just click on updates. Just keep updating your video. When you are done with a video, paste another script there. You can generate like 90 scripts in which you are going to use to create this video. And one thing about this software is that it's fast and it is reliable. All these videos in which you are seeing here, you can use it on your TikTok. I can likewise on your YouTube using this. You can come down to the billing here. The billing is not that much since as you can see now, the current plan is free. The max service is 1. As you can see now, you can create for 24 hours. But if you are going for the starter plan, you are expected to pay $19 per month, and you are given 3 series and we have different features. That is, you can add background music, and the watermark is going to remove the one which we created before. It has a watermark. Let me show you the video so that you can see the watermark there. Let me play the video.
Ever feel overwhelmed by
As
weekly
you
meal
can see, the
planning?
watermark below
Mastering
it
meal
like
prep
this.
can
But
revolutionize
if you are
your
going
eating
for the
habits.
paid version,
Start by dedicating a few hours each weekend
they
to
won't
prepare meals for
inscribe
the week ahead. Choose a
watermark
variety of
to it.
recipes
That's the
that
reason
are
why you can go
nutritious and
for
simple. Invest in quality
the
containers to
paid
store your meals,
version of
ensuring
this
proper portion sizes. Chop
software.
vegetables
Is
and cook grains
something
in
in
bulk.
which you will
This
get
saves
the
time
value
during
of the
busy
money you
weekdays.
pay for it,
Make double
and you
batches of
have a
your
lot
favorite
of
dishes to
features
freeze
for
for
the
later.
daily plan.
Label everything
We
with
have
dates
for
to track
the
freshness.
um
Not only will this help you eat healthier, but it
hardcore
also
plan
reduces food
for
waste and
in which you
saves
have
money,
a lot of
making it a win-win for your
features you
lifestyle.
can add to your video. That's why I'm recommending this Autoshorts.ai version of making shorts video. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.
Could it shine down here with you? Just my love is mine, all